Hi guys, it's Dee and welcome to Dee's Yard. Today I am very excited to share with you this awesome new plant by the Southern Living Plant Collection called Butterfly Towers. Butterfly Towers currently comes in two colors. I have the white and there is also a magenta. This is a very unique buddleia that can fit in any garden for its narrow and vertical habit, reaching 4 to 5 feet tall, but only 2 to 3 feet wide. I've never seen a butterfly bush with this growth habit. I'm very excited about adding some more height in this garden, but without taking up much real estate. Currently I have a Jane Magnolia, a Globosa Nanocryptomeria, and a Miss Kim Lilac. I think Butterfly Towers will fit perfectly in this location, providing some more height, but leaving room for the surrounding plants to grow. Butterfly Towers does best in full sun to part sun conditions, and it is hardy in zones 5A to 10B, so almost anybody can grow them. It does attract birds and all the pollinators, including bees and of course, butterflies. Buddleia bloom on new wood, so it's best to prune and cut back hard in the late winter, early spring. They also do not like wet feet, so I will be digging a hole 2 to 3 times the width of the root ball, but no deeper than the root ball height, and I will be amending my clay soil with a pine bark soil conditioner. Anytime I'm planting a plant that does not like wet feet, especially butterfly bushes, I want to make sure I'm mounting them 1 to 2 inches above the soil grade. And then I just backfill. And then I'll just finish off with mulch, and make sure you are not mulching on top of the stem. And now all I have to do is just water this in thoroughly and deeply. And I will be checking on it for the first year to make sure it does not dry out. You guys, I am so excited to try this unique butterfly bush in this area. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I will catch you on the next one. Bye guys.